Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron na naman tayong aalamin na video. Ito ay galing kay MaxDev PH, mga idolo. Ang sabi nga niya dito, 2 German attack helicopters arrived in the Philippines. Ano kaya itsura nitong German attack helicopters na to? Kasi diba yung dalawang Cobra natin na nanggaling sa Jordan, if I'm not mistaken, pinagpahinga na. Dahil nga sa sobrang katandaan na rin nito, baka hindi na rin ligtas gamitin. Kaya ang ating armed forces o yung ating air force siguro nagdesisyon na hindi na gamitin or pagpahingahin na. Yun, pagpahingahin na. Pag malalim na salita, hindi natin mabigkas ng maayos Kumbaga, hindi na pinagdesisyon na yun na nga, hindi na gamitin. Siguro, ilalagay na lang din yun, i-display na lang din sa base ng ating Philippine Air Force siguro yan. At ito ba ang kapalit ng ating Cobra? Yun ang hindi ko lang sure kasi hindi ko pa napapanood tong video na to. So, without further ado, panoorin na natin mga idolo. Let's go!
In recent developments, the Philippines has taken another significant step in strengthening its national defense capabilities. A remarkable event unfolded at Clark Air Base, as the country received 2 German-made Tiger attack helicopters, delivered by an AN-124 Ruslan cargo aircraft. This delivery, which was made as part of a military cooperation agreement between Germany and the Philippines, has...
So maniniwala lang ako kapag may mga Pilipino dyan at lugar nga ng Air Force natin yan. Doon lang ako maniniwala. Kasi minsan may mga ibang video na parang hindi totoo di ba? Parang yung iba, di ba, nilalagay pa yung Philippine flag pero puro mga Japanese or mga yung mga tao. Wala namang Pilipino. Kaya nakakalito, nakakagulo. Parang nakakapeke rin. So, itong video na to sana, may mga Pilipino talaga at nasa base militar ng Air Force ito. Tara, panoorin natin ulit.
Sparked widespread attention and excitement. The arrival of these helicopters is set to elevate the Philippines' military prowess and bolster its defense capabilities in the face of ongoing regional security challenges. The Philippines has long been working to modernize its defense equipment, and the delivery of the Tiger attack helicopters is a major milestone in this ongoing effort.
Tiger attack helicopter pala ang tawag ng German helicopters na to. Tiger. So, hindi, Tigers yan TBC, di ba? Tama ba? Tapos yung Agila si President. O baliktad. Correct me if I'm wrong na lang guys. Medyo nalito rin ako
Effort. This acquisition represents a significant leap in the Philippines' military strength, as the Tiger helicopters are known to be among the best combat helicopters in the world. Capable of executing a range of combat missions, the Tiger helicopters are poised to play a crucial role in enhancing the Philippine military's ability to address security threats both within its borders and in the surrounding Southeast Asian region. The cooperation between Germany and the Philippines, which led to this helicopter delivery, is not only about acquiring advanced military technology but also about fostering stronger defense relations between the two countries. This collaboration provides an avenue for the exchange of information, technology, and training between the two nations, further cementing the growing partnership between them in the fields of defense and security. In addition to the military benefits, the delivery of these helicopters is expected to help the Philippines confront a variety of security challenges that have emerged in recent years. The Southeast Asian...
The delivery. Pero nakalagay kasi dito is arrive in the Philippines o arrive in Philippines. Ano ba? Dumating na ba o for delivery pa lang?
Region has been experiencing geopolitical tensions, and the presence of the Tiger helicopters will serve as a formidable deterrent against potential threats. With the increasing instability in the region, the Philippines needs to ensure that its defense capabilities are up to par, and the Tiger helicopters
Parang ano, yan ba yung flag ng Ukraine? Hindi ko lang maalala. Pero parang ganyan, di ba?
will certainly provide a significant boost in this regard. The Tiger attack helicopter, developed by Airbus Helicopters, formerly Eurocopter, is a state-of-the-art machine designed to perform a variety of combat roles. Equipped with advanced technology, the Tiger is known for its agility, speed, and lethal attack capabilities. It is capable of carrying out a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance, ground attacks, and close air support. Its versatility allows it to operate in various environments, including urban areas, and it can perform in day or night conditions, regardless of the weather. The Tiger helicopter is powered by a pair of MTU Turbo Maya Rolls-Royce MTR 390 turboshaft engines, which enable it to achieve impressive speeds and maneuverability. Its advanced design incorporates a 4-blade, hingeless main rotor, which allows the helicopter to perform.
So wala pa ako nakikita ng Pilipino eh. Diba? Kung i-deliver pa lang yan, bakit nilalabas na? Nandito na ba talaga sa Pilipinas yan? Kasi wala pa akong nakikita ng Pilipino. Ito lang ako maniniwala kapag may Pilipino na diba? Na nandyan at na nire-receive yan. Kasi puro mga foreigner din. Mga German din siguro itong mga to, syempre. German helicopter yan. Diba? Medyo I doubt pa rin itong video na to.
Perform full turns and high G maneuvers, making it one of the most agile helicopters in its class. The tandem seat glass cockpit is operated by a 2-person crew, with the pilot seated in the front and the gunner in the rear. This setup provides an optimal balance of flight and weapon control, allowing the crew to switch roles as necessary during operations. The Tiger is equipped with a range of advanced weapons, including automatic cannons, anti-tank missiles, and rockets. These weapons give the helicopter formidable offensive capabilities, making it a powerful asset in both air and ground combat. The helicopter's design also includes self-defense systems and a variety of secondary weapons, which enhance its survivability in hostile environments. The Tiger's ability to operate after a nuclear, biological,
Diba? May ano pa eh. May flag pa o ano lang ano eh. Air Force siguro ng German yan eh, nakalagay. Diba? Dapat binura na yan kung sa Pilipinas na yan. Diba? Dapat napinturahan na ng bago yan. At nakalagay mismo yung logo ng ano ng Philippine Air Force. Diba? Parang yung diamond and then yung may pakpak. Diba? Ganun sa Philippine Air Force, diba? Pero dito parang German flag pa rin eh. Babalikan natin ha. Yan,
the helicopter's design also includes self-defense systems and a variety of secondary weapons, which enhance it.
Diba? German flag pa yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung dito na babaguhin ba yan sa Pilipinas. Kung nandito na ba talaga yan. O yun ba yan? Donation ba yan ng German sa atin? Medyo hindi nabanggit kasi o binili ba natin yan? Kasi parang bigla na lang lumitaw tong ganitong balita. Diba? Na merong tayong marireceive o na-receive na Tiger attack helicopter na galing sa Germany. Diba? Kaya medyo ano pa ako dito. Hindi pa ako kumbinsido na nagbigay ang German ng dalawang attack helicopter. Diba? Pero maghanap pa tayo ng ibang video at i-react natin ulit kung parehas lang yung video na to at walang mapakitang Pilipino o hindi mapakita yung base militar ng Philippine Air Force hindi pa ako maniniwala kung for delivery ba lang to kasi nakalagay kasi dito sa description arrive in Philippines. Ibig sabihin, dumating na dito sa Philippines. Diba? Ewan ko lang.
Survivability in hostile environments. The Tiger's ability to operate after a nuclear, biological, or chemical attack makes it a valuable asset in any conflict scenario. One of the most remarkable features of the Tiger helicopter is its versatility. It is designed to operate in a variety of terrains and environments, including urban, maritime, and mountainous regions. The Tiger's ability to be deployed from the deck of a ship, such as a frigate, adds to its operational flexibility, allowing it to perform combat operations in maritime areas. Its advanced agility and weapon systems make it a powerful tool for a wide range of military missions. The Tiger is also highly effective in close air support missions, which are critical in modern combat situations. It can provide direct support to ground troops by targeting enemy positions, destroying enemy vehicles and weaponry, and engaging hostile forces with precision. This capability will significantly enhance the effectiveness of the Philippine Army in both internal and external security operations. Moreover, the Tiger is capable of conducting reconnaissance missions, which are essential for gathering intelligence and providing real-time situational awareness on the battlefield. This capability will help the Philippine military maintain a strategic advantage over adversaries by ensuring that they have access to up-to-date information about enemy movements and activities. The delivery of the Tiger helicopters to the Philippines was facilitated by the AIM-124 Ruslan aircraft, a massive cargo plane known for its ability to carry large and heavy loads. The arrival of the Ruslan at Clark Air Base, carrying the two Tiger helicopters, attracted significant attention due to its size and the political context surrounding its mission. The AIM-124 Ruslan is a symbol of the ongoing defense cooperation between the Philippines and Germany, as well as a reminder of the importance of modernizing defense equipment to keep pace with evolving security challenges. While the political tensions between Russia and the West continue to shape global geopolitics, the delivery of the Tiger helicopters underscores the importance of strategic defense partnerships and the necessity for countries to maintain strong military capabilities. For the Philippines, the arrival of these advanced helicopters is a tangible representation of the country's ongoing efforts to modernize its military forces and ensure the security of its citizens. The arrival of the German-made Tiger attack helicopters marks a new chapter in the Philippines' efforts to modernize its defense forces. For years, the country has been striving to enhance its military capabilities, recognizing that the security environment in the region is becoming increasingly complex. The delivery of these helicopters is a concrete step forward in the country's goal of building a more capable and
Baka naman sa Ukraine niya pinadeliver. Diba? Kasi alam mo naman yung NATO nagpapadala ng ano doon ng mga gamitang militar para makatulong nga sa Ukraine, diba? Na madepensahan yung kanilang bansa laban sa Russia. Diba? O wala pang pinapakitang video na dumating kaya ito muna yung pinapakita. Kaya medyo ano pa di pa ako naniniwala talaga na may deliver na ganyan sa atin ang Germany. Diba? Parang out of the blue. Parang bigla-bigla na lang yan, diba? Kasi nagsa-search naman tayo pinapanood natin mga ibang video ng mga ating mga kasamahan sa vlogging regarding sa ating military. Parang wala akong bigla na lang lumitaw ito Pero hindi ko naman sila inaano, diba? Sa kanya, humingi na, ginagamit na nga natin yung video yan. Nagre-reklamo pa tayo. Diba? Kaya na lang guys, kung mag-comment dito kung totoo pa to, fake news pa to, totoo. Kung totoo, di maganda, diba? Kung hindi totoo, hanggang tayo. Diba? Yun lang naman yan Kung totoo, di much better kung totoo talaga. Kasi, di ba, may pamalit na sa ating dalawang Cobra. Dalawa rin ang pinalit na attack helicopter na galing Germany. Diba? Pero alam ko kasi meron naman na sana yung totoo yun, yung may parating na hinihingi natin sa Japan na atayan na Cobra din nila na 10 o 12. Hindi ko lang alam kung ilan talaga. Pero sana magkatotoo yun na may kapalit na tayo doon sa dalawang Cobra na pinagpahinga na ng ating Philippine Air Force, di ba? At ano na, 6 na lang ulit yung ating attack helicopter, yung yung 6 na T-129 attack helicopter, di ba? Na galing Turkey, if I'm not mistaken. Di ba? So, alam ko may plano pang bumili ulit na 6 para maging isang squadron na 12. Di ba? Di mas maganda talaga kung bibili pa tayong 6 pa. At yun nga, kung mangyari nga talaga, mabigyan tayo ng 10 o 12 pa ng ibang bansa like Japan, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Di dadami na yung attack helicopter natin, di ba? Mas maganda yun. Di ba? Sino ba naman ang ayaw madagdagan yung ating kagamitang pang-militar, di ba? And then, hindi na tayo gumastos kasi ano yan bigay di ba? Kahit na sabihin natin second hand yan, sabihin natin di pa naman siguro decommission, at least, di ba? Ang importante sa atin ngayon, dahil nga kakulangan natin sa budget, madagdagan ang ating mga kagamitang militar sa tulong ng ating mga allied countries na binibigyan tayo at libre pa, di ba? Yun naman ang importante muna sa ngayon, di ba? Kasi alam naman nila na kinakailangan natin, pero sana hindi natin magamit yan in the future, di ba? Kasi ayaw naman din natin na gagamitin natin yan. Ba't hindi mo gagamitin? I mean, ayaw naman natin umantong sa talagang gagamitin natin yan sa totoong buhay. I mean, sa totoong gera na, di ba? Kumbaga, hinahanda lang natin yung ating bansa na kahit pa paano madepensahan naman natin yung ating bansa, di ba? Kasi dahil nga sa sobrang kakulangan natin sa mga kagamitang militar, like katulad nito mga attack helicopter, talagang kung bibigyan tayo at makakabili tayo, talagang magandang balita yan sa atin, di ba? At kahit pa paano aangat-angat na tayo sa sa rango. Pero hindi naman importante yung rango, di ba? I mean, para yun nga, hindi na tayo mabuli-buli ng ganun-ganun lang. At masabi nila at magdadalawang isip sila na wag mong ganyan-ganyanin ang Pilipinas dahil nga ang dami, may mga bago silang kagamitan na kaya na nilang idepensahan yung kanilang bansa kahit pa paano, di ba? Kung mga mangingilag na sila hindi sa ngayon nga na yun nga, nagsisimula pa lang tayo at na dumadagdag sana nga kahit nga every year nga sana meron tayong bagong hindi naman sa bago, kahit second hand at para mapabilang din sa ating mga fleet sa difference sa ngayon ng ating ng nating armed forces, di ba? Magandang balita na rin yun kasi at least, di ba, nadadagdagan, hindi nababawasan dahil sa katandaan, hindi napapalitan, di ba? Kaya okay din talaga na yun nga, napagbibigyan tayo ng ating mga ka-allied na country at nabibigyan tayo, di ba? At aasa na lang din tayo sa ating gobyerno na yung ating budget para sa ating modernization phase 3 ng ating armed forces hindi na bawasan pa yung budget, di ba? Pagka dagdagan pa kasi ang daming kinakailangan na mga kagamitan ng ng ating armed forces, di ba? Para kahit papaano madepensahan natin yung ating bansa, di ba? At hindi na nga tayo mabuli-buli agad-agad, di ba? Ang dami ko na naman sinasabi. Hindi pa nga tapos yung video. Ito na ulit.
Civilian military force. In the years to come, it is expected that the Philippines will continue to pursue further upgrades to its military equipment, including the acquisition of more advanced systems and technologies. The country's growing defense cooperation with nations like Germany, as well as other allies in the region, will play a crucial role in shaping its future defense strategy. Tiger helicopters. The Philippines is positioning itself as a more formidable player in the regional security landscape. The delivery of the German-made Tiger attack helicopters to the Philippines represents a significant advancement in the country's defense capabilities. These helicopters will play a crucial role in enhancing the Philippine military's operational effectiveness, allowing it to tackle a variety of security challenges both at home and in the surrounding region. This acquisition also strengthens the strategic defense relationship between the Philippines and Germany, providing a
So, acquisition, ibig sabihin, binili natin. Diba? Hindi naman sinabing donated o donation. So, acquisition. Paisip din tayo. Diba? Tama naman ako. Pag-acquisition, binili yun, diba? In-acquire natin. Diba? Dapat sinabi na lang din kung donation, kung donated yun. Hindi donation, diba? Pero ano naman yun eh. Pero yun nga, dahil nga wala akong nakita ang Pilipino sa video, di ba katapos eh. Mamandali ka. Pero wala pa rin ako nakikita Pilipino eh. Wala pa talaga sa Pilipinas. Kaya medyo I doubt pa rin eh. Kaya maghahanap pa rin tayo ng another video at i-react natin talaga na sana nga dumating meron tayong ganyan na dumating sa Pilipinas na dalawa para maging 8 ulit yung ating mga attack helicopter, di ba? Kasi lahat naman ng binibigay sa atin tatanggapin natin yan, di ba? Sino ba namang hindi? Pero hindi nga donation, acquisition daw eh. So basta may budget, di ba? Why not? Diba? Mas maganda nga bili tayo ng bili, di ba? Basta pinakailangan na sakto sa budget, go lang ng go, di ba? Para nga madagdagan pa yung ating mga asset lalo sa ating military.
The foundation for future collaboration in areas such as intelligence sharing, technology exchange, and military training. With the addition of these advanced helicopters, the Philippines is now better equipped to address the evolving security threats it faces, ensuring that it remains a strong and resilient nation in the face of regional instability. The hope is that this collaboration will bring about greater peace and stability for the Filipino people, while also enhancing the country's standing in the global security community. The future of the Philippines' defense capabilities looks brighter than ever as it continues to modernize and strengthen its military forces, securing a safer and more prosperous future for the nation.
Yun, so mag-aabang pa tayo o maghanap pa tayo ng ibang video para nga masigurado natin na fact ito at hindi totoo, di ba? Para yun nga, masigurado natin ay din naman nating mag-react sa hindi tayo sigurado, di ba? At maghanap pa tayo ng ibang video, marami pa naman yan. So at least kung totoo to, magandang balita talaga to, di ba? At nagpapasalamat tayo kay Max Def P8 sa kanyang video. So nalagay ko po yung full video na to, pati po kanyang YouTube channel sa description po guys. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe po sa kanyang channel. At syempre, huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Hit niyo po yung notification bell at i-like po ang video na ito. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na i-follow din po ako sa aking Facebook page na alam niyo ba. And malapit na po. Magawa na po tayo ng TikTok. I-follow niyo rin po ako doon, mga idolo. So dito na po tayo nagtatapos. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi. And God bless us all. Bye-bye.